Liberty stock number 51197, Mazak model 410A, Roman numeral 2, vertical machining center, serial number 186536. It's got a Mazatrol Matrix Nexus CNC control, 12,000 RPM spindle, Renshaw presetter, Renshaw tool probe with receiver, 20 horsepower, 30 position ATC. It's got a chip conveyor. All right.
Yeah, we'll open it up, take a look at the front end. Did you mention the probe on there? Because this, yeah, that screws us up. The one auto cycle I have, it'll stop there, but we get most of the program in. Then it looks for the probe and alarms out, but that's okay. Got the control up. Like I said, we don't have to go through the screens necessarily. We'll stay on the position screen and go from there.
I'll follow you.
Yeah, as you move in, coolant system all down through here. Of course, none of it's hooked up. It's all hanging out though, but 2 pump motors, filtration. You come up here, as you come up, boiler, air package. If you want, I can open up the door to the magazine in a minute here.
You don't need to.
Okay, you can look through the window kind of. I got like 2 tools in there just to do a couple tool changes.
That's right.
All right.
And I can see enough from
Yeah,
here.
you can probably, yeah. And behind you, of course, got a complete set of documentation and some tools down there. And that's the Renishaw head in that box. And there's at least 1 stylist in there. Tooling, and my covers that I've got off. And if you want to try squeeze around the back, these covers are off. You can take a look on the inside.
Okay. It is tight.
Okay. Now you're in. You're in. A little bit of light.
Clean.
Over here. Here. Cover out on the main panel. Watch yourself. There you go. Drives, everything's up. Transformers top side for what it's worth. They're using a transformer on this one.
Yeah.
So that's all good to go. And you come around the front, we'll do some manual movement here and then whoopsie, okay. Plug in that program and we'll see what happens.
Okay, I'll stand on the side.
I don't know what works. You got a glare here? What if I stay here?
I think I'm good.
All right.
Well, can you turn off the interior light? Is that possible?
Oh, I think there's a light, work light.
Yeah. That's
Does that
probably
work
better.
for you?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, your call.
Yeah.
So that's manual mode. We're in rapid already, so that's these guys here. Yeah, we can speed it up on rapid, of course, but and then Z. Speed it up a little bit. X. That, and we got a tool, we can do a tool change here, an MDI, I'll do 1 and the program will do its own, but if I do, let's see, I'm on 7, I'll just call for 2. Let's do 2. Let's see if this works. Input that and try a tool change. There you go. You ready? Let's see if that all flies. And I'm going to go one more. I'm going to plug in tool 7 just because. And let's see if that flies. There you go.
That's quick.
Yeah, so we got axis moving. Oh, and now spindle, I guess. Yeah, we can turn on spindle. Yeah, let's get back into jog. Spindle up a little bit, 10, 20. And let's just turn it on. There you go. Air's on now. The air purge comes on. Let's speed it up. It's 11. 25.
We have to do it when the compressor's not on again.
It's going to run continuously because of that air purge, but it's okay. I can leave it on for a minute. It'll shut off for a minute.
Okay.
I'll bring it up a little bit higher. We're at 4120 right now. Sounds nice.
Yeah, it does.
The compressor will catch up for about 1 minute.
Good. That's
All right.
What are we at now?
That's 6. Coming along. I meant to do it without a tool in there, but oh well. Still sounds good. 7. And stop?
Yeah.
Now start real quick. That's 7. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, I can jump over to 222 memory. I've got that program in there. I think all I really have to do is jump in on.
Can you run it with the door open?
Yeah, I've got it all checked out. We should be able to fly right now. Let's see what we got. Induction around for a tool change. That's at 50%. We'll run one more at 100% and should be good. There's our 50 rapid. We're running at 1800 on the spindle. Still running. If you're looking for the probe now, this is where we alarm out. So it's no big deal. I'll reset. We'll run it one more time at 100%. Yep. There it is. Not happy. There's our fail. Yeah, whatever.
You knew.
Yeah, I knew that was coming. So let's do that, and we'll jump into an auto cycle one more, okay? Or what do you think?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, 100%. Moves pretty fast here, so. That's going to be about it right there. Let it finish off and let it fail. Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, there we go.
That's
we got a good
excellent.
running machine.
Yeah, we do. Thank you.
Uh-huh.